So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share your referral link with friends here on Fiverr. So once Fiverr's opened up, go to the top right, press on your profile picture, and then go to where it says refer a friend. Now, once you're on this page right here, you're all on the referral program or the affiliate marketing program. So you can earn up to $500 in Fiverr credits, up to $100 from each referral. Obviously, there are some terms and conditions right here. So I just went ahead and pressed on it. You can go ahead and do this if you want to learn how to refer friends. You can go ahead and read that right there. I can also just go ahead and get back to this screen here. So you have two different options. Obviously, you can read as well. But you have two different options here. Either you can type in someone's email address and press send, and what it's automatically going to do is share this referral link with them through email. Or what you can do is copy this link right here. So this is an example of my referral link, and then you can do whatever you want with it. You could post it on the internet, you can text it to people, you can post it on social media, email it if you want, whatever the case may be. You have two different ways to share it. You can send it through email or copy the link and share it how you may. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to share your referral link with friends on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.